Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Fireflies AI account. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you unlink or disconnect your Google Docs from your Firefly AI? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to unlink or remove your Google Docs from Fireflies AI anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you connect the wrong account or maybe you've connected the wrong folder. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Fireflies AI account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Fireflies AI and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to unlink or remove your Google Docs, here on the left, you're going to click on integrations. Once you do that, here in the search bar, just type in doc, D-O-C, and you should see the Google Docs logo. Go ahead and click on there. All right, once you do that, you're going to see your Google Docs is active, as you can see right here. So before you disconnect your Google Docs, if the reason you're doing that is because it's saving into the wrong folder in your Google Drive, you can easily change that right over here on the right side. Just click on the drop-down menu and then change the folder that you want to save your summaries from Fireflies AI into. However, if you're sure you want to go ahead and disconnect your Google Docs, you can click on the disconnect button here on the left. Once you do that, you're going to get a pop-up. Are you sure you want to disconnect the Google Docs integration? Go ahead and click on disconnect once again. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see it says inactive. So my summaries or transcripts will no longer be saved into my Google Drive using Google Docs unless I come back in here and reconnect. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to unlink or remove your Google Docs from your Fireflies AI, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.